Okay, so hello, I hope you guys are watching. Let's start our backtesting. Wait a minute. I think it's gonna be a bit lower, or I can do this to make it even better for you guys to watch me out of the whole screen. Let's see. Okay, so the backtesting tool I'm gonna use is TradeFX book, which is of Umar Punjabi. Let's see. ट्रेडिंग के बसों से व्यू Okay, we are in. Let's start our backtesting strategy. Okay, these are my previous data. I'm gonna new session, start a new session, which will be name as, what should we name? Chat. What should we name the new strategy? The strategy will be the same, but I'm going to test in front of everyone, so I think we should do something. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Just a single minute, let me announce it to my Instagram audience so that they can join as well. Just a minute. Sorry for bothering. Okay, so let's start. So I'm gonna name this thing as NY Hunters. NY Hunter. So let's make this cap NY Hunter. Hunter. What are you testing? I'm testing my strategy. Strategy. I think the spelling is right. Okay. Strategy will be the gold hand. Okay. Let's just symbol. Our favorite gold. It will be gold, and the start date I think we can keep it 2025 in Jan. In Jan, I think we can keep it on 6th because it's starting on Monday, and the end date shouldn't be described, but keep it. Okay. Starting price, the starting balance is $10,000. Let's create. Let's create. Okay, so we have just started the thing. Should we start or wait for some audience to join? I think we should start instead because it shouldn't be wasting time, right? So to start our session, we just have to tap this and everything will be open. So let me tell you the whole rules on what the strategy will be, and let me show. At least we will try to do 5 or 10 strategies. Sorry, five or 10 backtesting. At least backtest of 2 weeks or 3 weeks at least, so it can make sense of backtesting. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this is the gold chart, and first of all, I am going the backtesting tool I'm gonna use is why is it breaking? Book, which is of Punjabi. Hello. Can you hear? Hello? Hello, can you hear? Hello? Just wait a minute. Hello? Is it okay now? Is it okay? Should we start? I don't know if you can hear me out or not. I don't know if it's fixed or not, at least. I hope it's fixed now. I don't know if you can hear me out or not. I don't know if it's fixed or not, at least. Okay, so I think it's fixed now, so it's everything all fine. So should we start? Let me know, just comment it down. Should we start or not? Should I explain my study, explaining my study or not? Let me know. I think if it's fixed now. I don't know if you can hear me out or not. If it's fixed or not, at least. Okay, so I think it's fixed now, so it's everything all fine. So should we start? Okay, I think we should start instead. We should start. What do you guys think? Let me know in comments. Let me know. We can start as soon as possible. If you just say yes, I will start explaining my strategy here. Let me know, should we start the backtesting data? So first of all, I'm gonna add some indicators, which is T. Wait a minute. Let it load. TXP something. I don't remember the indicator. The network is fucking slow, really slow. I don't know why. Just comment it down if you can hear me clearly right now. Okay, so I hope you can hear me out, and let's begin. Just let me know if you can hear me clearly or not. Okay, it's TFB sessions. So since I'm gonna only trade on New York sessions, this indicator is really helpful for me. Okay, so first of all, I am on 5-15 minutes time frame to decide my bias. So since I can see it's okay, thank you, Savish. I think it's clear. So, okay, it's clear right now. So I have seen that in Asian session the market was down, and after sweeping the liquidity around these levels, the market gone up and swept this liquidity. So what I am trying to do is I will go to 1 hour time frame to select my perfect buyers. I'm gonna select my perfect buyers, and wait a minute. Ah, shit. Not again. Not again. Shit. Okay. So you are here, right? Okay. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. It's taking some time. Okay, in 1 hour time frame, you are seeing a clear downside movement. Okay, I'll just match a Fibonacci here from high to low, which is this is the high. So since the market has already okay, took the liquidity came here, I think market is going to up from here. So first of all, I will mark my level, which will be this 618 level. Just wait for a moment. Just wait for a moment. I'll be back. So I'm back. I'm back. Sorry for the disturbance. Let's start. Okay, so market has tapped here at this my level. We have already seen a buying from that levels. It's a buying. So what I'm trying to do is I will shift down to 15-minute time frame first. So see what's happening here. Okay. Market has already tapped here and it showed the upside direction. So what I will try to do is I will mark this zone, this supply zone, which is here. I'm bearish from here. So I mark the zone, and what I will do is now I'll shift to 1 minute time frame, which is this. I hope you can see. If you guys have any kind of doubt, just let me know. I'll tell you whatever the doubt is. Okay. So what I am planning is simple. I'll wait. There are two scenarios. If market comes first here, I'll buy from this level. If market doesn't come here, or if market taps me this level, this zone, takes this liquidity out, I'll try to sell. This is my zone here. This will be my zone. Okay, I have fixed the zone here. Let's see. I'll play the market right now. Let's play. If market taps that level, it's good. If not, you know what I said. Okay. Okay. So this will be my official entry. Or so first thing is I would have entered if this candle is fully red instead of this wick. So if not, I will just shift down to 5 minutes time frame to see what's the candlestick there. Okay, so I am shifting 5 minutes towards the sea to see what's the candlestick there. It's just the thing, we have to do it again and again. So what I can say is that it's having the perfect candle. We would have loved to short. So here's the candle we got, and we can also see a pattern. So what I will do is I will sell here. I will sell at this level and keep my SL at this high, and what I'm gonna do is to put the exact thing. The exact thing. Okay. It is the 1:2. It's 1:2. So I'm gonna risk 1% of my capital, which is, let's make it 1.5. Okay, so I'm gonna risk $58, which is almost $60. Okay, I think I can increase it to this. I will risk $100 to make $200. As simple as that. So after 1:1, I will break even my trade. This is okay. Confirm sell. Let's play this. Let's play this off. Let's see, is it TP or SL? Okay, going good, going good, going good. Okay, it's going up, down, and 1:1 is done. So what I'm gonna do is I'll drop my SL to break even, and now play it again until it takes my TP. Okay, so officially TP is done, and it gone all up to this. We don't care about this because we should be disciplined. We should only take 1:2. So we got the profit. We are up to $40 today. So let's move on to the next New York session. So next New York session, we are in the next New York session. So as I said, I will first of all go to the 1 hour time frame to know the buyers. Let's see what are the buyers are. Okay, so you are a top G student. That's a great thing, brother. That's a great thing. But I'm not a top G student. I'm not a student of anyone. I just learned everything by myself. Okay, I can see a great selling zone here. I can see a great selling zone here. Okay, this is a great selling zone. Market has here. Market came here to take the liquidity out, and to confirm, I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. I'll go to the 4-hour time frame here to see what's actually more happening. Okay, it's also a great sign to short. It's a great time to short. Okay, I'll now move on to the 15 minutes time frame, which is excellent for me to short. I'll move on to 15-minute time frame. So I think if it has to go short, it will at least, let's wait. Let's do my Fibonacci thing. It's already in my Fibonacci zone. So what I will do is I will mark this zone, which is an A plus. Okay. If market shows any rejection from this zone, I will short the gold. I will short the gold. Let me show you how was the confirmation I will use to short the gold. If you are having any kind of doubt, please let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know if you have any kind of doubt. I'm here to answer. Okay, so New York is open. New York it's open now. Let's run the chart. Okay. Okay. We have to go back. We have to go back. If to be really honest, if I was here, I would have shorted here. I would have shorted here. This will be my SL. This will be my SL. And this is 1:2. Okay. So cells SL is almost $78. I will make it 100 anyway. Okay. Okay, so I think I can add this to make SL. Okay, so I think I can. Okay, it's accurate now. Confirm cells after 1:1. You know I'm gonna make it to a break even. This is the 1:1. Okay, so this is the 1:1. Let's play this off. Okay, it took the SL. It took the SL. Great. Let's move on to the next session. Next New York session. So we are still in profit of $136, which is a great thing. First of all, we'll go to sorry. I was trying to go to 1 hour. Okay. In 1 hour, we can see actually gold tapped to our main level, which is this level, and came down as I said. But anyway, that's not a big deal. Okay. Consolidating. Okay. So my bias is bearish from here. If market taps this level, I am bearish. Okay. If market taps here, we are bearish. Let's move on to 5-minute time frame. If you guys have any kind of doubt in backtesting or anything about lot size and thing, just let me know. I'm here to help you out. So what I will do is I'll mark this thing Fibonacci. So what I found out is market has already tapped this, which is a great thing. I'll delete it out. Okay, so I think market will probably not go that high. So what I'm expecting is if market show any kind of rejection from this level, this key level, I will short or I will wait until market comes this level. Wait, let's see. It's our third trade. Okay, actually this software is really game changer for every trader because I started loving this chart. Literally, I love this from sorry, what not from this thing. Okay, if market comes at this zone, this zone, and show me a rejection, I'm gonna short. Let's play this trade. Okay. No. Yes. Actually, it didn't took this low out, so no. Okay. Okay, I would have entered here. I will enter here definitely. So I will go on 5 minutes time frame to check the candlestick pattern. So what's the candlestick pattern here? Let's see. So market just swept the whole liquidity. And okay, we have the greatest confirmation. We can literally short from here. Let's short. Let's short. Let's short from this zone. I know it's backtesting is literally boring, but read the comments, bro. Let's interact. I am actually reading the all comments. You just have to answer. You just have to ask me some interesting questions to keep me going. Sorry, cells, right? Okay, these are my exact zones. I will definitely sell from here. This will be my SL, and okay, what is the 1:2? This will be my 1:2. Let's set our TP here and confirm our cells. Let's run this shit. Haha, one candle stop loss. Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries. Part of the journey. Next session. Moving on to the next session. Hmm. Next session, what's going up? Let's see. 1 hour. Okay, okay, okay. We can see a good thing here actually, because let's move on to the 4 hour to see what's actual clear thing happening there. Okay, is there anything support there? Oh, I can see something here. Okay, market has tapped the golden zone and it's kind of trying to come down. That's a good sign. I'm I'm gonna short. I'm gonna short. Let's see. I'm gonna short. Let's move on to the 15-minute time frame, which is good. Bro, which subscription are you in? I'm in elite subscription, brother. I took the elite because I'm an elite guy, so I will have to go elite. Actually, as you can see, our bias was always right, but it tapped to our main zone, which is here, and took the SLs and came down, which doesn't matter now. Let's move on here. Okay, let's move on to 5 minutes time frame. What's your overall checklist before you every New York session to trade? My overall checklist is if market is sideways, I won't trade. The first checklist is what we say, the clear buyers. If I have clear buyers, I will enter. If not, I will not enter. So first of all, I will clear my buyers. Then I will fix it out. Like I have a lot of funded accounts, so I will just select one of the accounts. I have the tier list. Like I have A plus tier, A tier, and B C tier. If I have A plus tier, I will trade on the fund life funded account, and if I have A tier, I will try to gamble on evolutions. If I have B tier, I'll try to mostly avoid. If not, I'll just risk less in that B tier, C tier. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we are gonna mark a small. Since we are selling, I will just mark a small. Okay, this helps me show what's actually happening. Okay, so if market breaks me this low, I am shorting. I'm shorting the gold. Okay, let's play this shit. Let's play. Okay. Sorry. If I was here, I will literally, bro. What's your? Oh, okay, that's it. Okay, if I was here, I will literally, sold from here. Not gonna lie, I would have sold here, and my stop loss will be this high. Which is, I think it's too much. $140 is not in the checklist. I think. Okay, sell from here 1:1. Okay, done. This is what. Let's confirm the cells. Yeah, start. Okay, 1:1 is done. So I'm gonna break even the SL. Okay, So it's in profit. It's a great thing. $220 up. So next, move on to the next session. It went us in our way. Next New York session. We are doing good right now. So we are risking $100 to make $200, which is a great thing. I'll move on to 4-hour time frame first to see the major levels. Is there any major levels or not? Okay, as I can see, there is a strong buying here. I think there is no competition of this. Okay, we have this zone. We have this zone, strong zone. Market should come down from this zone. Here we mark the zone. I think market will come down from this zone. I will go down to the 15-minute time frame. Bro, so far I have taken 2 payouts, but the capital is not enough to grow my account. What do you suggest from your side? By the way, I am 18. Okay, so what did you said? So, bro, I have taken 2 payout, but the capital is not enough to grow my account. What to do? So you have low capital. Actually, are you trading prop firms, or like, can you tell me how much payout did you took? So I can give you a perfect risk management and help you grow your grow your what we say account. Just tell me what your account size is. What is backtesting? So the backtesting means you are testing your strategy on historical data, which means let's say you are today is Tuesday. Okay, so you are going to test yesterday Monday's tested, which the market is already executed. You are gonna test your strategy at that executed data in backtesting. That's known as backtesting. Testing your strategy on historical data is known as backtesting. Simple, simple. Bro, so first let me know what's your capital is and what the amount of payout did you took. I'll give a perfect risk management to follow and help you to grow. Just tell me. Everything is going good by now. 5 people are watching. Highest thing. Okay. No, not this shit again. Wait a moment. Sorry for delay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I think it's not our date. Okay, as I said, I'm gonna mark a selling level here. Wait a moment, I will mark a selling level. So shitty thing. I think there's a little small bugs here. I will love this platform if they sort all the bugs out. If they sort. Suppose I'm start trading with platform. What account size should I go with as a new? See, if you're really new to the platforms and want to make money from start, it's hard. I will recommend. So, since you are really new to the platforms, to understand what platforms are really, what really platforms are, I would recommend you to go for smaller account size like 5,000 or $10,000. After you get confident by okay, this is the platform, this is the amount of money I can make in platform, you can go to higher sizes. So first of all, since you're learning the platforms, I would recommend you to go for smaller size like 5k to 10k. After you get confidence and have the edge, go for 25k or 50k up account sizes. So okay, so our plan is the market will come down. So it's already down. Let's move on to the 15-minute time frame. Perform only total of $300 in 5k and 10k. After that, full of losing streaks, and now I'm difficult to arrange capital to perform. Any suggestion? Performs only. Wait a minute. I'll answer your question as soon as possible. Okay, I think its bias is bullish. I'm gonna be bullish here. I'm gonna be bullish in New York session in this. Let's move on to the 1 minute time frame. Prop firms only bro total of $300 in May, with only 5k and 10k. After that, full of losing stakes. Now I'm getting difficult to arrange capital to prop firm. Any suggestion? Did you journal your trades? Do you know the reasons why you lost? You know what's the reason? See, first of all, I'm giving you one advice. It might look easy, but it's really the best advice. I hope someone told me this before I started my career. So there is a thing. If you have three losing trades in a row, let's say you have three losing days, like you lose today, tomorrow, and after that day, stop trading for the whole week and journal your emotions. Journal your emotions, what you feel in between, and what you felt in between the trade, and did you feel any excitement or any emotions? What are the emotions? Write it down, understand yourself. That's it. You will get the answer by yourself why are you on a losing streak, and 80 to 90% of chance are there that you will end that losing streak after that. So what I would recommend is first take some small break. Okay, I would have entered here. I would have entered here. Buy here. Sorry. Yeah, buy here. Sell is almost at the level I want it to be. The TP will be here, I guess. So what you do to arrange capital, Mr. Sham? What you do to arrange your capital? Do you have any part-time job or you have any side income, like you do anything editing, like freelancing, anything? Let me know what you are doing for side income. Okay, so fix. So everything fix. Confirm by and 1:1. Which is the 1:1? This is the 1:1. We'll do the break even after 1:1. Started with my saving money, bro. Okay. Okay. It's an SL. It's an SL day. It almost hit 1:1, but it didn't. So SL day. Let's move on to the next session. I think there is no next session. We'll have to move on to the next Monday, which is this. Go to okay. Started with your savings. You took $300 and lost it all. It's a hard day for you. But what are you doing? Tell me what you are doing for money. Okay, we got the exact selling from the level, but we sold at the wrong level. That doesn't matter now. Anyway, my levels always work, but after I get out. Okay, I can see a level here, buying level, which is a really strong level. Okay, market is trying to respect. So what I am trying to do is I will Wait market to. Okay, it's bearish. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, got buying from me. I think it's gonna be bullish from here. It's gonna be bullish. We'll take a simple break of structured trade. Just explain, bro, from start to end how we need to backtest. Okay, I think you just came right now, brother. I will explain. I will explain. Just give me 30 minutes. After I finish my at least 15 to 20 trades backtest, I will just explain everything. I already told in beginning you can just go and watch from the beginning if you want to, but if you don't want to miss this live, just wait for a minute. Sorry. Okay, I will love to buy from this zone, which is here. This zone, or I will love to buy after liquidity sweep. After this liquidity sweep, wait a minute. I will love to buy after this liquidity sweep or rejection from that level I have given you. Let's start this. I am bullish as I said. Okay, tap the level. Okay, okay. No, not entry yet. Not entry yet. No entry. Ah, got the entry. Got the entry. I would have entered here. So it will be this level. Keep it simple. TP is a bit high. Let's make it a bit high. I didn't lose $300. I spent it on myself and left $120 under. Like $120 I lost. Spending on yourself is a great thing, but spending on yourself after knowing you were left with nothing after you spend is a horrible thing. So what would I did is, let's say I make $300 as you said. What I would have done is I would take that $150, which is $150, and buy another perform challenge. Like, what can I buy with the $150? Like, I can buy 5K accounts of $150, right? With that $150. With one which remaining $150 I would have spent on myself, or I will give to my family, or I will keep it as backup if you want to go all in. So I will buy. No, bro, I don't. Any other income source apart from trading. Sometimes my balance could give you some money. That's a bad thing. That's a bad thing. That's a really bad thing. You should have your own source of income. Should have your own source of income. As I said, with that $150, I would have bought at least 4 to 5 accounts of 5K, and in that 5K, I will try to be funded and take payout and repeat the same loop. I will invest 50% again and keep 50% on myself. As I said, it's as simple as that. Keep doing this until you make $1,000 or $2,000 a month, and then you can switch to bigger account sizes if you want to. Okay, it's gonna be SL or not? Okay, it's a SL. It's a SL day. Okay, what the hell is this doing? Anyway, it doesn't matter now because you have lost already. I think it okay, it doesn't matter. Let's move on to the next session. Next, New York. Okay, let's move on to the 1 hour. Bro, how did you arrange money initially? Initially, I did a lot of things to arrange money for trading. Like I used to have fan pages of footballers, cricketers, and used to sell After, like, let's say I have 2000 rupees, right? What I will do is I will reach out to fan pages which has like 2000 to 3000 followers, and I will buy the accounts, Instagram accounts, and I will post for like 1 month or 2 months and grow the followers 2000 to 10,000 or 20,000. After growing the followers, I used to sell the pages for like 8,000 to 10,000. The max I sold a page was 1,29,000 followers, which was a uh, Dhoni's page, MS Dhoni's page. Like 1,29,000 followers. I sold it for like 61,000 rupees. And the account used to have a great reach. So what I can say is it's bearish. It's bearish in 1 hour. Let's see on 4 hour. See, if you want to make money, you can make money by any way. You just have to be hungry enough to make the money. Hmm. Okay, that's a great candle. Took this liquidity. It's changing the bias to upside, which is not ideal for my entries. Oh, okay, okay. This thing is okay. Upside bias. I want to fix my bias for upside. Let's move on to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, you can do the same, but I think it's too late for that because it's really hard, really hard to gain followers nowadays. So it's dead by now, but it's hard. You can do it still, but it's hard. London, okay. What did it then in Asia? Asia was okay. Took the low. Can I do this? Can I do this? I think I can do this. Okay, I will be looking for buys at this level. I will wait for market to come at my level, and yeah, 1 minute time frame. For those who are watching who's getting bored, I'm sorry. I know backtesting is a really boring thing, but you have to watch this to become a profitable trader. I know it's a boring thing, but you have to watch it. You have got no other way. It will take all this liquidity. It has to come this way. It's okay. It's coming on our way, our zone. It's coming on our zone. Oh shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! I don't think it's gonna come again. I think there is some kind of news. We got entry. Let's see if we can do an entry. If I got some entry from this zone, tapping this zone and showing any rejections. Okay, it did tapped our level. It did tapped our level. Okay, okay, so it's doesn't matter right now. Okay, so what I would have done is I will zoom in, wait for this thing to break and buy for upside. Go for upside. Okay, okay. I would have bought here. I would have bought here. As simple as that. I would have bought here. SL will be this as shown. $180. Okay, okay. Great. Let's create buying. Hmm. Okay. Here one is two. Hmm. Okay, let's start this. Okay, it's an SL. It's an SL day. Let's go to next New York. So should I learn any other skill in order to arrange capital? Yes, you have to learn the skill. There is no way out. You can't make money without making. You can't make money without having money in trading. You can't make money without having money in trading. Okay, I'm on sales. Maybe not. Maybe not. Wait. Okay, in this zone. Market has already tapped the zone. I took this liquidity out. I can see this clearly. So what I'm doing is buy $1 account from Blue Guardian and scale and maintain the consistency and take payout. And I already have 5k instant account from funding webs. Okay, okay, great. Whatever you feel like, if you feel it's good thing and you can make money from it, just do it. It's up to you. If you can do it, then yeah. Okay, let's start. If market taps that level, I will be shorting. Okay, it did tap. Okay, I will short here. I will short here. I'll be honest and short at this level. Short SL. TP is, I think it's hard to hit. Let's see. Sorry. I was in 15-minute time frame. Sorry. I made a mistake. I have to shift to 1 minute time frame. Shit. Bro, in which college you are? I am studying in the Wales Pallavaram BSc Computer Science. Okay, sound people are watching. Guys, at least comment something to make me engaged. I am teaching you backtesting. Testing in front of everyone. It's not easy to test your own strategy and in front of everyone. You will be criticized. Okay. So I said I will be looking for sales at this level. Let's see. Okay. I think there was a news. Doesn't matter. Okay. Would I have shot? I think I would have shot. But keeping this big SL is not possible. So what I would have done is like I would have marked the Fibonacci, wait for the 0.6 level, which is this. So I would have this, and this will be my SL. Yeah, this will be my SL. Okay, all set. Bro, you are managing college and trading. Yes, I am. Oh, Chennai. And I'm also in Chennai. KK Nagar. Great, brother. Great. You're from KK Nagar. That's a great thing. Sell, stop loss is fixed. And TP will be this. 99. Okay. Let's confirm this thing. We are in loss, net loss right now. I will at least test. Okay, 1:1. Let's play this out. Oh, roller coaster. Okay, it took our vessel out. It doesn't matter anyway after that. It took our vessel and it's a buy. Let's move on to the next session. Yeah, I will know about the meetup. Let's see. Let's have a meetup as soon as possible. What about this Sunday? Can we do a Chennai meetup this Sunday or even Let me know if you are in. I will just let you know the location. See, the location is fixed. I will always be revolving around this Arrow Hub in Chennai airport side. Arrow Hub, you know. If you are Chennai, you'll know Arrow Hub. Moving to the 1 hour time frame. AMD. Yeah, that's a great strategy. Hmm. Let's move to the 4 hour thing. Every time my zones are working, but I'm not. Okay, here's another zone. I will be selling from this zone. If I get any confirmation, I will be selling from that zone. There's that zone. Okay. So what I can do is until that zone I can be bullish until that zone comes. So my bullish plans will be so market has already tapped that level and rejected. So I'm expecting market to come at this level, which is this. Market has already tapped that level, so it's invalidate. If market wants to go up, I think market should come this level. Let's see. New York open, and if we get a breakout structure from this level, we are good to go. We officially got the breakout structure. Are we in? Are we in? Are we in? No, it's not our zone, so we can't. We would have been made profit, but it's not our zone. But since we marked this big zone upside, let's see if it taps and rejects. If it taps and rejects, then I hope this taps before the New York ends. Okay, it tapped officially. Okay, I'm missing out. Okay, I would have shorted here. This is simple as that. I would have shorted at this level as well as this. Let me show you. Next, there will be this candle. Okay, confirm sells. Sold. 1:1 fitting. Okay, fitted the 1:1. Let's play this off. Oh, okay, 1:1 is fitted, and after 1:1, the break even is fitted, so it doesn't matter. See, we got a 1:1. We would have break even the trade, so we are running this again. Okay, it took the break even and probably took our SL as well. No, it didn't take our SL. It gonna take our SL anyway. So let's move on to the next session. I am fixed. I'm honest to do. You bro. Yeah, we can do a plan at that zone. Next session we can do a meetup in Arrowhead. Next session will be, let's go to high time frame zones. Okay, we can do cells or what? Let's. I'm cells. So let's go one of the levels for the selling. Okay. If we want to go for sales, then we have this zone which has to be tapped. If it taps and show me any kind of rejection, I am on sales. Let's see. Okay. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. Actually, I think this is the zone. I should have marked this properly. This is the zone. Oh shit. I missed the zone. This will be our zone. Ah, it will be a bad thing if we do from like this. I think we shouldn't do this. Bro, just say this decision is correct or not. After 12 result came, I was not really interested in engineering. I wanted to go into finance, and for that I choose BBA in order spend more time. Oh, that's good. That's great idea. See, instead of wasting your time and energy, you should do something you love. You love trading, then you should definitely go for this. Okay. Uh, okay, I would have entered. Sell TP is this I can I think it's a big SL. No, okay, it's not a big SL. Okay, sorted. It tapped the level anyway, so let's do the 1:1 set. Okay, it took the okay, it took our profit. It took our profit, okay. That's a great thing. That's a great thing. That's a great thing. Okay, 5 people are watching. We got our OTP. Let's move on to the next session, which is okay. There is no session left, so I think we have to change this thing, which will be our 28th. Will end after. Okay, I think we should have. We came too far. We came too far. We came too far. Okay. The network is literally too slow. Shit, bro. I think we should end the stream. It should keep as it is. We'll do the remaining 4 tomorrow. We'll do the remaining. I'll confirm the meetup time and date soon. Maybe tomorrow or yeah, I'll confirm the meetup tomorrow. Okay, bye everyone. Have a nice day. Let me end the stream. It's time to end. Bye bye.